trust me, Cole. So it's like
Ask Ethan, he'll tell you.
Can steer it in the back for you, and you fall. What? Alright, next leg was pretty fast. Yeah, I know. I almost took that little kid in the blue jacket. I did with the tube when you went, whoa. Can my legs go up here? Yeah, go ahead. Are you ready? Okay.
Good scoop.
Do we need to lean to the right to start evening out?
There you go.
Oh, we're gonna die.
Yeah, I'm going to plan on that. Jason had built the garden box last year. I tell you, with 4 people, they just...
Oh, man. And I got it.
You gotta get that balancing act right with that, I guess.
Yeah.
No, we're all done. No, that's it. We gotta go. No. Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
That kid was trying with the brakes.
Yeah.
He had his feet stuck right in there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Honey, sweetie. Come on, guys. We gotta go. Let's go check on William.
Honey, come here. What's the first thing you do when you get at the bottom? What? Get up real quick and you look to see.
Make sure nobody's coming behind you and kill you.
All right, girls. Good job. You guys played a good game.
Let's go. We got a good game. No injuries. Let's go.
She's like, yeah.